Hello, this is Dennis of the Dennis Show, and somebody started a realistic vanilla island challenge, and I want to participate. So let's start. Okay, we are here, and we go on custom game, and then on this map, and we go on realistic. Except of money, we go with easy. So everything else we leave like it is, and start the game. Okay, this is the map. I think some of you know it. This is like here. And because we have no research, we don't know where the resources are. A little bit we know, because why not? And we start without any border post in realistic mode from the beginning. And there's one caveat to it. If you start like this, you cannot play fully vanilla. It's not possible. So we have to make a concession, and the concession is that we need the Pioneer pack and the Construction Unit pack to get us off the ground. I will show you how and why. Otherwise, you have to cheat, and cheating is no good. So we play our realistic island challenge like this. You have two ways of getting resources in, and this is via ship or via helicopter or airplane. And we start with ships because for the bulk goods we need our ships. And there is our first mod pack come into play. So we have the Pioneer pack, and the most important things at the moment are the Pioneer port, where we can land 2 ships. And we have some limitations to the ships, so the ship length is a limitation of 170 meters. And we have the Pioneer dock, where we can buy us some ships. So let's get started with that. So first of all these, and I will place them here at this coast, because being near to the border is really important. We still have a lot of money, but we cannot leave some money on the table or waste them for nonsense. So here we go. Here's a nice coastline, and I will place the 4 ship ports. So we have one. And yes, we have some free bulldozing at the start of the realistic mode, which is a limitation which should go away fast. It's only the first month, I think, or something. Okay, good. Let's make sure we can leave our ports. Okay. The rest is standard, so let me build some construction offices and stuff. So here we are. We have 4 vanilla free construction offices, 1 fuel station in the middle here, and 1 vehicle depot. So, and also this ship dock. And the next step is to get some vehicles in. So let's start with that. First of all, we need a fuel tanker, because no fuel, no fun. We buy him. And give me you. You go first to the border and load fuel. Yes. Then you go to our free harbors, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want him to unload everywhere and wait at the last one. Next one. We need a transport ship to get us some vehicles in. Because you remember, no border, no cheating. So, for rubles, give me a cargo ship. Give me by value. And we need the Ignatov. It's a fairly steep investment for the start, but this is needed to transport excavators, because other ships, maybe smaller ones, which can transport vehicles or containers, don't transport me the excavator. So here's the Ignatov incoming. Which brings us to the next topic, vehicle shopping. So we have bought 4 excavators waiting at the border. And more, please. We need a bulldozer, some dumpers, two fuel trucks, 6 open holes, and I think we will send away the ship for the first time. So the setup is like this. He should load at the border, unload at one of the docks, and wait at the dock to be fully unloaded. In the meantime, we can buy us some ships for our construction goods or bulk material, which are cargo ships. Go by value, not by name. Okay, and these are these ones. And I want to have, no, this one here. And I want to have for every bulk cargo 1 ship. And price is okay. At the moment you can buy 2. And I will set them up and buy another 2, and we will see again later. Okay, let me just set up the first one, and later on I will do the rest of them for myself. So you go first to the border, and then you go, let's say, to the second dock. And you will load at the border for me some steel. One of the production, no, does not need to wait. And then you unload everything and wait. And let's tell you to go. And I will set up the other 3 like it should be for construction materials. See you later. Here's coming our first ship already, and he will unload if the fuel arrives. So let's speed it up a little bit. Okay, here they come. Fuel is coming. And we hopefully unload them. Yes, vehicles are here. So let me sort them out. All vehicles are unloaded here. And next we need to take care of gravel, which is another ship. Yes. It's getting not so cheap here, this operation. We have a cargo ship. We sort by value because we need the cheapest and best for our purpose. And the cheapest cargo ship is this one here. Yes, another big investment. Let's set it up. Cargo ship is here. Now you go to the border and you unload this one. Yes. Unload and wait until unloaded. At the border you load gravel and you unload nothing. And we will send you directly to the border so you don't make a big loop. Okay. Next. So our fuel problem. Our fuel... it's getting really busy here. Our fuel problem is solved by this fellow here. And here's a lot of fuel still in his tanks. And he will wait here until he's unloaded in the last station. Yep. Yeah, wait until unloaded. And these docks, they need no fuel. So, they need no power, sorry. So, they function without power and they will refuel and get fueled and stuff. So, we can take advantage of this. We will have a fuel ship and it will take our fuel needs. So, let's send him. I want a distribution office for him. So, give me that. Distribution office for free. We cannot build more because we have research enabled. If we go realistic and hard, we should play realistic and hard. Okay. So you go here and I'm really not sure if he can load this one. So let's try. Go here and here. You load, yes, and unload until 60%. How much is the storage here? 20 tons. So let's say 50%. You load here? Yeah. No. Yes. Okay. Nice. Okay, so he will pick up the fuel from here and unload it to the fuel station. 11 tons he can load, so we wait until he's 40% down. Okay, good. So this is taking care of our basic needs. What comes next? We need to unload all the bulk goods here. So we have here prefab panels and steel and bricks, and somewhere the boards should also come. Where are my bodies? Maybe the boards are at the border. Yeah, the boards. Click and click and oh, you are loading boards. Okay, still loading. Yeah, it's fine. I want to have separate ships because it's hard to keep an eye on it if you have mixed ships and, for example, prefabs and steel. If you need a lot of steel, you have other problems. And now the comrades are honking their horns. I don't know if you have seen it or heard it. If they... Did you hear it? If there's a traffic jam, comrades get annoyed. So, yes, everyone needs their good fuel. So what's next? Next, I will take care of unloading the ships. Let me just prepare it. Okay, so we have all construction materials on site, like bricks, boards, prefab panels, and steel. And also we are unloading gravel in the background, like you see. Next, we take care of the rest of our construction needs, which are the helicopters. And here we have them. Some cost some stuff, some cost less stuff, but the thing we want is this one here. This one costs only work days, which is also a problem. And we can only build one of them, which is another problem. Okay. What we need to make this happen is the Pioneer disembarkment. Let's try to fiddle it in here. Okay. And we need some passenger walkways. And only for this purpose, to get our helicopter started, we need to buy a passenger ship. Ah. Look at this. What is this? Okay. Passenger ship. Because, like I said, this thing needs work days. 11 work days. Okay. Let me set up the passenger ship and we will see you in a minute. And here we are. The first batch of workers is coming. Also, you see in the background the second batch of vehicles has arrived. So we have some road cranes and other vehicles, I think. Fire truck is also there and covered hole. Okay. So, off you go. And build me my helicopter construction office. Here they go. And... can we make it? I don't know. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, can do it. Oh, yes, baby. Okay. Helicopter construction office. Give him some fuel. So the question is, what helicopter now? Oh, we are not done here. So in regards to construction offices, so we have one construction office and now comes the next problem. We need second one. The second one is like, no, it's not here. It's here. And if we look at the flying things, this one we can build only one. There's a big one and a small one. I want the small one. And the small one needs some stuff I cannot get at the moment. Now we need 2 more of them. And I can only build one for free. So I need to go into my menu and select flying ones. And we have this one and this one. One is a big one is a small one. I want... This is the big one. It will be for people, but not at the moment. First we need to think small. So let's go small. The problem is here, I need some stuff. Very little of them, but I need different stuffs. So I can get here a helicopter in and he can provide me either people or electronic components. And this one needs electronic components, which I don't have at the moment. So what we do is we will ship in people, check if people can reach it. The answer is yes. Can reach all of them. Ooh. So we need electronic components and we say here, mechanical components, get them from the border. And electronic components, also border. Okay. Now we need some helicopters. I would prefer a small one for this task. Now let's get the Mi-8. We'll be fine. Okay. Get this one out. Get fuel in. Do we have fuel here? No. Do we need power? Oh no. Oh. Well. Now we're getting interesting. We need power. And the military pack should come to the rescue. Let's check it out. So... Power, power, power. I've got the power. Where are you? Pollution, blah, blah. Power plant. Yes. Getting blind here. So... This one, whatever it is, can be constructed with nothing and should spit out some power. So we will place it somewhere here. Okay. And we should activate our people ferry. Get us, please, some more people, 20%, and make some more rounds. Okay. Good. So this little thing will be constructed somehow, somewhere, out of thin air. But we can only create one of these. So I think it's fair. And here's our helicopter. Perfect. So you will take people. And no, not. Replace. No. You cannot change. Oh, that's a problem. The Mi-8 should be able to. Wait a minute. So we need to have a helicopter parking to change its load? Or am I totally wrong? Let's see. Magical military parking. Oh, we can go for this one here, for the free one. This This is the new vanilla airport free parking spot. Hopefully he will land there. Okay. Go here. Okay. Good. Boards are coming here for these two. Ship is coming. I can unload some of you. Can wait here. The thing is, at the moment I have, I'm not able to build. I would be. I can build Pioneer warehouses, but they also need material to get me some electrical components, for example. But I rather don't want to because my ships are not really set up the way that I could assign them to electronic components. No, I don't want to fiddle around with this now. Problem for later, Dennis. Okay. So you now change? Yes. Okay. And then park here. We have boards here. We need a little bit of workforce then. We need steel and components. Okay, for steel I will assign, yes, this one. We'll make steel and planks. Okay. Good. I can also assign these ones. Gravel. Yes. Could build myself a gravel road if I want to. Would make sense. You see here, the space on this island is really not that great. So I really need to pay attention of what I'm doing here. My goal is to have a little settlement and maybe make some money. For sure make some money. Well, the plans will be revealed in a later stage. Okay. But first of all, we need to be able to build something. Anything. Yes. Okay. So come on, little boat. Where are you? Here it is. Meep meep. Nice. Go on double speed. So this is one of the things you need to take into consideration. Playing like this is a lot of waiting and a lot of planning before problems really happen. The moment I have no people, so I have no problems. But my little setup is quite fragile. We have played before on an island map. And yeah, we really got some valuable stuff we tried out and tested out, and it is a rather hard thing to do. Oh, oil prices are fluctuating. This will be super weird, it's a power supply. Let's see. Hopefully you get built. 8 work days. Ah! You can fly without fuel? Okay. I'm not totally against it. So he's going for the components, which I needed here. Yes. Ah! And here's our power. Wait a minute. What is this? Okay. It's not built. Can also... Where are my road cranes? Here are the road cranes. Add some road cranes to my construction office. This. Okay. Can also go there. And one of the covered holes can go there. Okay. We have everything on site. We only need people. So, yeah. He's out of fuel, I think. It does not look like the happiest jump. Okay. Good. Next ship will bring us some workers for the power station. And another helicopter construction office. My big ship is at home. Let's see. You are for boards. Boards is the least thing we need. This one. So if I say you are the brick one. Right. I'm really not too fast. Because if I say you do bricks, where is it in the list? Boards. Where are my bricks? I don't know, but my power plant is planting. Okay. So we rely on workers. Yeah, okay. Now we are refueling the wrong one, which is bad. Hopefully we have some power to refuel this one. Oh. This one is for concrete. Concrete. Yes. Border. Let's build the last helicopter construction office for people. So back we go in here and we want a big one. Yes. Okay, and here comes the big helicopter construction office. People are getting on it. We need some steel and our friend, our electronical components. We have also everything here on the side. So next batch of workers will help us. Coming in here, I think I should be able to reduce them for the next trip. This ship is really not ideal. So, we have one for electronical and mechanical components. We have one for concrete and the last one would be for bitumen. So, we can construct everything we want. Great, isn't it? And it's so easy. But still, this power plant is hurting big time. Because I always need people here on site. For these to refuel. Oh. This is really... That's a pain. Need to come up with some solution for this one. Ah! And next one. For cargo. No. Okay. So you were, just to double check, measure once, cut twice. You are going for concrete? Yes. So you will go for bitumen. Exports for asphalt. Oh, for asphalt, yes. And here we go. Okay, okay. So the last thing we need is worker supply. Electronical components, which are coming in. Nice. So this is how you construct everything from the ground up without any access to the border, any outside materials. Like I said, you need 2 mod packs, the Pioneer pack and the Military Construction pack. You cannot build vanilla, this thing with vanilla materials. But with these 2, you can get somewhere. I have spent now around 1.3 million for everything here. Without building anything substantial, which is quite a problem, but we will get over it. The next steps would be to create some kind of people supply, which will be challenging because we need everything. We need to create our own water and get rid of the wastewater, get rid of the waste itself. Yeah, the usual accommodations, kindergarten, housing, schooling. Ooh, also people goods supply. Like, this would be nice. Like food. This one is only free now. We need food and meat and stuff to wear. God. Yes. So it's a nice challenge. I like it because it's a big puzzle game. Our last construction office is nearly finished. Big puzzle game. I'm all for it. And yes, I think with that, I will leave it here. I say bye, comrade. I hope you had fun watching this episode, which is a little bit cut down, but you don't want to sit here for hours and hours on end without doing anything substantial or without cheating the way through. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Look out for the next one, and I say bye bye.